Assalamualaikum. Myself Sobrosan Saif. This video resume highlight my set, and set refers to strength, education, achievement and teamwork. I have completed my SSC and HSC from Mushfiqullah Samsullah High School and Sawar Government College. I am currently studying agricultural science at Deputy International University. Through classes, assignments and activities, I built a solid foundation in agriculture and learned how to manage responsibilities well. Now I will talk about my strength and skill. I am adaptable, a quick learner and good at communication. I enjoy solving problems and applying new ideas in real situations. I have volunteered in various cultural programs and educational programs at my university. These experiences boost my confidence level and taught me the value of consistency. I love to work in team. Whether in projects, events, I always respect my others' ideas and support my teammates to reach our goal together. Agriculture is my passion. I want to work with food security and sustainable farming, using modern technology to support farmers. My strength, education, achievement and teamwork mindset define who I am. I am excited to learn more and contribute wherever I go. Thank you so much to watching this video. I appreciate your attention and consideration. I am excited about the opportunity to contribute my skills and continue growing with your organization. Thank you.